Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss NCERT class 9 motion question answers, NCERT exercise question answers from 1 to 4. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయగలరు. లెట్ us go to the today's session question answers from 1 to 4. Let us go to the first one. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? This is the question. In this question they are asking that we have to find out distance covered and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. An athlete completes one round of a circular track. Given diameter is 200 meters. Time 40 seconds. Distance covered and displacement covered at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Total 140 seconds. For 140 seconds we have to calculate distance and displacement. Let us go to the solution of this question. This is the circular track and we are taking a round. This is the diameter and the diameter given 200 meters, and finding the solution, diameter is equals to 200 meters and radius r is equals to d by 2, that is equals to 200 by 2, that is equals to 100 meters. Time for one round is equals to 40 seconds. Distance travelled in 2 minutes 20 seconds, nothing but total 140 seconds. 2 into 60, 120, 120 plus 20, 140 seconds. So 140 by 40, that is equals to 3.5 rounds. Distance travelled is equals to circumference of the circle. Circumference circle formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r into 3.5. 2 into value of pi 22 by 7 into r 100 into 3.5. That is equals to 2200 meters. This is the distance travelled. Displacement after 3.5 rounds is equals to diameter of the track, that is equals to 200 meters. Go to the next one. The second question. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300 meters road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meters back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging? First one from A to B and B from A to C. This is the question. Now come to the solution. Let us go to the solution. Joseph jogs from one end A to other end B of a straight line. Distance 300 meters. Here is a point A and here is a point B. Road in 2 minutes 30 seconds. But jogs 100 meters back to point C in another 1 minute. We are calculating average speed and average velocities. From first one from A to B. Time for A to B is equals to 2 minutes 30 seconds. Average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. Total distance 300 meters. Total time 2 minutes nothing but 2 into 60 120 plus 30 150 seconds. 300 by 150 0 0 cancel, 15 1 15 2 2 meters per second. Average velocity is equals to displacement by time, total displacement by total time interval. 300 by 150 0 0 cancel, 15 1 15 2 2 meters per second. Next go to the second one from A to C. Time taken A to B plus B to C is equals to 150 plus 60, that is equals to 210 seconds. Total distance is equals to 300 plus 100, 400 meters. So average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. 400 by 210. 0, 0 cancel. We are getting 1.9 meters per second. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. 200 by 210. That is equal to 0.95 meters per second. So in this problem we calculated average speed and average velocity from A to B and from A to C. Go to the next question. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? Now we are finding the average speed for Abdul's trip. Let us go to the solution. Let the school be at a distance of x kilometers. If t1 is the time taken to reach the school, t1 is equals to distance by speed. Already speed is equals to distance by time. So time is equals to distance by speed, that is x by 20. If t2 is the time taken to reach back, then t2 is equals to distance by speed, that is equals to x by 30. Total time t is equals to t1 plus t2. X by 20 plus x by 30. Taking x as a common, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Taking LCM, x into 3 plus 2 by 60, that is equal to 5x by 60, that is equal to 5 ones, 5 12s. X by 12. Total distance is equals to x plus x, that is equals to 2x. Average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. Total distance 2x, total time x by 12. That is equals to x cancel, 12 to the 24 kilometer per hour. Okay, next go to the next. One. Fourth question. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3.0 meters per second square for 8 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? The given here starting from rest, nothing but u is equal to 0. Acceleration 3 meters per second square. Time 8 seconds. Finding the distance. Given u is equal to 0, a is equal to 3 meters per second square, t is equal to 8 seconds. S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. Substituting all these values in this equation, we get u is equal to 0, t plus half a t square into 8 square. 0 into, in the place of t substituting 3 0, half 3 into 8 square, nothing but 64. 2 ones 2 8. Here cancellation 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 4. So 32 into 3, 96 meters. So boat travelled distance, that is equals to 96 meters. Okay. Thanks for watching.